Hello everyone, I'm Yanti. I'm from Class C, English Education, 2019, third semester, courses Intermediate Grammar, Sporting Lecture by Mr. Adi Isma, SPD, NPD. Well, I will explain about noun. What is noun? Noun is one type part of speech. This noun or noun is a class of words that are intended to denote something such as a living thing, object, or place. Next, noun function. Noun has several functions, including functions as direct and indirect object, object, subject of verbs, and many more. Direct and indirect object. Direct object usually aim to answer what and whom questions after the action verb in a transitive sentence. While the indirect object aims to answer questions to whom or for what. A noun as object can be a direct object and indirect object. When a noun becomes an object, it will usually be accompanied by pronouns, determinants a, an, the, and so on. Okay, the next function, subject of verb. Most people think a noun only function as object. Noun can also function as a object. In a sentence, a noun as subject is in front of the verb. A noun as subject can be accompanied by determinants on, the, but also not. Depends of the subject use instead of getting confused. Hers is an example as subject verb. Okay, for example, Rudy is sleeping. A bike has stolen yesterday. His cafe serves coffee. Okay, from the example of this sentence, which is the subject of verb, namely the first sentence, Rudy. The second sentence, a bike, and third sentence, his cafe. Okay, the next function, subject and object complement. A subject complement is a complement which refers to the subject in a sentence. Usually, complement is a noun or a noun that comes after a linking verb. For example of subject complement. His father was a famous football player. I'm the chairman. Okay, from the example of this sentence, which is the subject complement, namely the first sentence, famous football, and the second sentence, the chairman. Okay, about object complement. Object complement describe the direct object. Usually, direct objects are in the form of nouns or nouns. For example, of object complement, Barbara cooks a chicken for Dylan, and Fitra gives his son a bite. Fitra gives his son a bite. Okay, from the example of this sentence, which is the object complement, namely the phrase sentence, a chicken, and the second sentence, his son. Okay, the next function, object of preposition. Object of preposition to explain the place. Preposition are preposition like in, on, at. An example of an object of preposition. Okay, about example. My cat loves to play in a large box. The toilet is on the first floor. Okay, about example of this sentence, which is the object of preposition, namely the first sentence, a large box, and the second sentence, the first floor. Okay, next, type of nouns. Common and proper nouns. Common nouns are general nouns, so they are not written in capital letters. Meanwhile, proper noun is a specific noun that requires a capital in this writing. Okay. For example, let's look at the table about people. Common, writer, prepare, Raditya Dika. About place, common, Mal, prepare, Grand Indonesia. About things, common, phone, prepare, iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, the next type of nouns, countable and uncountable noun. Okay, about countable noun. None of these type can be measured or added. Countable nouns have a singular and plural. Okay, countable nouns have a singular and plural form. The difference is the singular begins with articles a, en, de. A, an, de. While the plural ends with s, es. For example of countable and uncountable noun, let's look of the table about countable noun: burger, smartphone, eggs, and uncountable noun: sugar, water, and gas. Okay, not countable is a countable noun which usually uses the word many. Many. Okay. Example of sentence: Tony has so many friends. Uncountable noun for uncountable nouns which usually use the word much. For example, sentence such as there is too much water in the bathtub. Okay, the last type of noun, concrete and abstract noun. Concrete noun is a noun that can be seen, touched, tasted, or in other words, recognized by the five senses. While abstract noun is the opposite, so it cannot be recognized by the five senses. For example, of concrete and abstract noun. About concrete noun, the police found my bike yesterday. I get a now found. About abstract noun, some people can find happiness, and I get chill when you leave this room.